In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off notifications from the Microsoft Edge browser for mobile, and also how you can turn it on too as well. Simple and easy. So to do that, we move to our settings. So we need to tap on our hamburger menu at the bottom right corner of our screen. So tap on that. Good. After that, we move to settings. So let's open settings. Good. And on this section, what we are going to do is let's scroll to the bottom, and you can see notifications under the site settings. Tap on that. Good. And now you allow notifications. So one thing about me is automatically on my mobile phone, I've turned off notifications for every app. Going to help my battery life here. So if you want, let me just turn it on. And you can see when you turn it on, you have access to breaking news, daily brief, top stories, severe weather alert, and then daily forecast. So you can just toggle them on and off too as well if you don't want notification from any of them. So that's it on how you turn on and off notifications on your Microsoft Edge browser for mobile. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.